Yo, what's up, what's up? Follow me, subscribe to my new YouTube channel. It's gonna be about skincare and hair tutorials. But don't mind the skincare because I failed my tutorial. Because I was supposed to show y'all what I did the first week, and the second week I'm failing because I'm busy. I can't really like be consistent. It's hard to do that because I got so much going on right now. But I am wearing the Kate Mayo shirt I got from this curl fest that they had for an event. And they sent me this because they couldn't give me one of my Mayo stuff. Matter of fact, they could have, but they gave it to me late. And because of that, their iPads wasn't working for the money, for the credit cards actually. But I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna be doing tutorials real soon. I'm trying to get my hair journey up, you feel me? Like, this is my hair right here, curly. And I could give you tutorials about alopecia, how to take care of that. Also, like, I'm gonna make videos for that because I know people are ashamed of alopecia, and I am too. So, you know, like, I'll help. We'll be in this together, honestly. Like, I am still ashamed of my alopecia because it is embarrassing. It's like sometimes I can't leave my hair out, and if you have a full hair, you're lucky because you know you could cover that up like I am. I'm lucky for that, like blessed. But I know there's people that has worse than I do, so I can't really be ashamed. But you know that will help us get together and shit. You know, I always curse, don't mind me, but. Anyways, I got tutorials I'll be doing. Skincare, I don't know. I might do it. It depends. Hair tutorials, I definitely will do. Like, but for alopecia, always protective styles, no matter what. Like, try to, like, you know, braid the parts where you can't see it. Try to connect some hair. I was doing that. I'm not gonna lie, I was doing that. You can't really see nothing because it's not showing, you know. But, I will show you my alopecia when I do my next video because I want y'all to see how I do it, you know, how I make it grow back and stuff like that. You cannot stress or nothing like that because I ain't gonna lie, I was stressing. I stressed a lot, and then, like, I have more than, like, probably 3 of them. Maybe, like, up to 5. I usually go to the doctor. They usually give me a needle for it, especially if you got insurance. It usually helps, but it doesn't grow as soon as possible. Like, you have to still take care of it no matter what. But also check out my girl Mimi. She's doing face tutorials. I will leave her YouTube channel at the bottom of my YouTube because I do not remember her stuff and I'm new to this. So, you know, follow me on Instagram, Frenchie.bb. 2 B's in that, you feel me? Nah, but I really like this shirt. They gave me this shit. I'm gonna show you the back. Okay, yeah. That's what it had. My shit ain't nowhere there. Is it right? We show here. We gonna be winning. We soon win. We gonna be winning soon, you feel me? Alright, I'm gonna show you a little bit of example of my hair. Alright, no funny shit. Alright. So I'm gonna do some tutorials and I'm gonna see you later.